Welcome everyone, my name is Ankur Chawla. On behalf of Crusaders Technologies, I am here to present to you our very innovative product, the wireless tablet, allowing you to control your presentations in a conference room or a classroom scenario from a fair distance without having any wired connectivity. Now, I'll be explaining to you about the contents of the product, and thereafter we'll be going on to a live demonstration and seeing how this product can actually solve and benefit your day-to-day activities. The contents of this package consist of a wireless tablet, a digital pen, a USB charger, and the software CDs. On the back side of the tablet, we've got one slot for the USB dongle that goes into your laptop. As you can see the dongle over here. On the next slot, you've got the USB rechargeable battery. We can switch on this device by pushing this power button for a split second. We get a display here showing us the power on, the 001 pairing number. Around 50 such devices can be paired to one USB dongle connected to your laptop or the desktop. This also shows the battery life of the pad. With the panel over here, we can have the page up and page down to control our slides. And with the pen, you can rotate your pen on this panel to control the volume if you have a multimedia file playing in the background. This tablet is connected to the laptop wirelessly through this USB dongle. See how easily I'm using my wireless tablet, having absolutely no wired connectivity with my laptop, making my presentations interactive using this digital pen. I can select a pen, get onto a whiteboard, and I can start writing or drawing. Choose the next board, another drawing, come back to my PPT mode, next slide, next, and if I want, I can actually tick mark and highlight certain sections of my PPT, increasing the thickness and going to a blackboard mode. You can control all the slide changes. You can choose various color options. You can increase and decrease the thickness. And once you're done, you can even erase the entire thing. Going on, we have the recording facility over here. We press this button of record. Go on to the pen mode, highlight any particular section, make changes on the image, and we can navigate between the blackboard and the whiteboard. The moment we stop the presentation and play back the entire recording, just by clicking play, my hand is free to interact with you, and I have got absolutely no role when the entire thing is playing back in real-time handwriting motion. Therefore, I can actually make my presentation recorded, keep it in my laptop, and I can take this anywhere and replay back 10 times, 15 times, it's up to me. For this next application, our setup includes of a projector connected to our laptop, connected to our digital notepad. Now, we'll be dimming the lights for you to have a better view of how this application works, and we'll be focusing on the screen and also showing you how our digital notepad can work like an interactive presentation device. Now in this next segment, we'll be comparing the ever popular interactive boards with our digital notepads. Now what happens when you use an interactive board? Imagine a conference room or a classroom scenario. You have a PPT to explain certain parts. And imagine this being an interactive board. The rest of the setup, the projector and the laptop, remains exactly the same. When the presenter works on the interactive board, he comes in between the projector and the board, therefore casting a shadow straight on the board and blocking the view of the audience as long as he's there. The moment he turns back, 2500 lumens straight into his eyes. One big problem. Problem number 2. When we start working on the interactive board, you must have seen we have to calibrate. 9-point calibration generally. And the calibration keeps going off after 35-45 minutes. Another issue, because the continuity is gone. Our data, which we've worked upon in 35 to 45 minutes, chances of losing that very high. And overall, a very irritating feeling the presenter gets. Now imagine the digital notepad. You can be facing the audience, you can be interacting with the audience while everything happens at the back end. And you can have the exact same experience plus the portability in 1/10 of the price.